Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add images to ChatGPT. First, ensure you have a ChatGPT Plus subscription, as this feature is exclusive to paid users. Once subscribed, you'll find a new icon in your chat interface allowing you to upload images. This capability significantly broadens how you can interact with the AI, moving beyond just text-based conversations. It's a powerful tool for visual analysis. To begin, simply click the small image icon, usually a paperclip or camera, located near the text input box. This will open a file browser where you can choose an image from your computer or phone. After selecting your image, it's crucial to add a clear text prompt. Tell ChatGPT what you want it to do with the image, whether it's describing it, extracting text, or answering a question about its content. Once an image is uploaded with a prompt, ChatGPT can perform various tasks. It can provide detailed descriptions of what's in the picture, identifying objects, people, and scenes. Furthermore, it excels at optical character recognition, meaning it can read and extract text from images, like a digital scanner. This allows for quick summarization or data extraction from documents or screenshots. For the best results, always give ChatGPT very specific instructions about what you want it to do with your image. Don't just upload a picture. Tell it to describe this image in detail or extract all text from this document. Experiment with different types of images, from charts to photographs, to see its full potential. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Grab Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. A fresh car makes every drive better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.